Hello everyone, welcome to Poesis e-learning and certification services. This is second video session in the Internet of Intelligent Things video series, and in this session we are going to learn about IoT development boards. Building and implementing IoT solution is not an easy task. A great variety of IoT tools are used for building complex IoT applications and systems. These tools include IoT development boards, integrated development environments, command line interface tools, software development kits, libraries and frameworks, APIs, and testing tools and frameworks. Selection of the right computer to be embedded into an IoT product is its brain is the most crucial decision. So let's find out more about different types of computers available to us. A computer defined is a programmable electronic system comprises a microprocessor, is central processing unit or CPU, SSD, solid state drives, hard disks, or ROM is storage memory, RAM, random access memory, is processing memory, and a bunch of integrated circuits to handle input and output. These four essential components come to us in different packages. So we have conventional computers like laptop, desktop, single board computers, single chip computers, also known as microcontrollers, industrial computers known as PLCs, programmable logic controllers, and large size computers called servers. Okay, so which one out of this is a preferred type for building IoT products? Let us find out. Microcontrollers or single chip computers are preferred to build IoT products because of their high throughput, power efficiency, small footprint, low cost, and easy availability. Microcontroller-based IoT development is now easier with the availability of plug-and-play development boards and kits from open source projects and leading microcontroller manufacturers. The most popular IoT development boards belong to Arduino family. This open source technology has revolutionized embedded computing world. Arduino board designs use a variety of microcontrollers. This family of microcontrollers are Microchip AVR family, 8-bit, formerly owned by Atmel, ARM Cortex 32-bit microcontrollers, and Intel Quark 32-bit microcontroller. These microcontroller families are known for their high performance and energy efficient features. The second most popular family of microcontroller development boards is from Espressif. Espressif offers very popular ESP8266, ESP32 and ESP32S series of chips, development boards and kits. ESP8266 series of boards are compact, energy efficient and high performance. They come with on-chip Wi-Fi connectivity, and TCP/IP protocol stack. ESP32 is a highly integrated Wi-Fi and dual-mode Bluetooth chip. It offers advanced power control for IoT applications. ESP-S2, belonging to ESP32S series, is an ideal choice for a wide variety of IoT applications. And now we have ESP32S3 chip, which has been specifically designed to address the needs of Internet of Intelligent Things (IoIT) market. I have three examples of most popular development boards from ESP series: ESP8266 series, ESP01, and Node MCU based on ESP12E. ESP32 series development kit is here. The next family of boards are from TI, Texas Instruments. TI introduced development kits featuring TI microcontrollers that are available at low cost and have open source hardware under the name of Launchpad. At present, there are over 20 different Launchpads available in the market that are designed with specific application fields in mind. These provide various alternatives of operating frequencies, memory sizes, flash and RAM, power, performance, and targeted applications. I have one of the Launchpad board on my screen, CC3220SF Launch Axle, based on SimpleLink CC3220SF microcontrollers. It is Wi-Fi enabled microcontroller. The board is IoT ready, and this board comes with several on-chip and on-board security features. The next most popular single board computer family, known as Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a low-cost credit card-sized computer that plugs into a computer monitor or TV and uses a standard keyboard and mouse. It can run a host of operating systems such as Raspbian, a distribution of Debian Linux, Android, Windows 10, IoT Core, etc. We have three variants of Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi Zero W is a 1 GHz tiny computer with 512 MB RAM, wireless LAN, and Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity. Raspberry Pi Pico is a tiny, fast, and versatile board built using RP2040 123 MHz ARM Cortex M0 Plus microcontroller. Raspberry Pi 4 has the fastest processor that runs at 1.5 GHz, dual band 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz wireless LAN, Bluetooth LE 5.0 and PoE capability. Available in 2 GB, 4 GB and the new 8 GB DDR4 RAM options. So these are the boards available to us to build our IoT products. From next session onwards, we are going to learn how to build applications and deploy them or host them on this microcontroller and single board computers. So stay tuned and stay in touch. Happy learning.